It's day 6. The last MRE is gone. Your propane tank ran out yesterday, and the firewood you scavenged looks suspiciously like someone else's porch railing. Hunger gnaws. You eye the cat differently. You know what else is still working? The sun. Every single day. And it's free. Hey survivors, welcome back to our channel, the hand-drawn guide to not dying horribly when everything goes to hell. Today, we're sketching exactly how to build and use a DIY solar oven so you don't become tomorrow's cautionary tale. Alright, picture this. The grid's down, gas is a myth, and starting a campfire signals your location like a neon sign saying free loot here. Not ideal, right? Also, try building a fire during a drought without torching the last standing tree. Good luck. A solar oven? Silent, smokeless, powered by the big glowing ball of death in the sky. Perfect. Your neighbors will never know you're slow cooking that questionable can of Spam. We're talking about two main types here, both simple enough for even a desperate, twitching survivor to cobble together. Type 1, the insulated box oven. Check the sketch. You need a cardboard box. Bigger is better, but any size works. Now find another box, slightly smaller, that can fit inside the first one. This creates an air gap, your insulation. Think about those layers you're wearing to stay warm because the heat's out. Same principle. Next, line the inside of the smaller box with aluminum foil, shiny side out. Smooth it down. This is your reflector. The sun's rays will bounce around like a confused, highly energetic particle in there. For the lid, you need something transparent. A sheet of old window glass, some plexiglass, or even a heavy-duty clear plastic bag stretched tight over the opening. This traps the heat. See that little detail I drew in the corner? That's black paint or black construction paper lining the bottom of the cooking chamber. Black absorbs heat like my ex absorbed all my good intentions. Trust me, you need it. Finally, a dark cooking pot, a Dutch oven, an old coffee can painted black, anything that sucks up those rays. Place your food in it, seal it up, and close the lid. Look at this guy I drew, carefully tending his box oven like it's the last hope for humanity. Because it just might be. Type 2, the panel oven. This is even simpler, more portable, and basically a collection of reflective flaps. Again, cardboard and foil are your best friends. Imagine a car sunshade, but designed to cook. You create several panels, hinged together, all covered in foil, shiny side out. These panels are then angled to direct maximum sunlight onto a central dark cooking pot. See how they're all pointing inwards at the sketch of the pot? This is great for an emergency bug-out bag, or when you need something you can quickly fold up and disappear with. The cooking pot usually sits on a raised platform, wrapped in plastic or placed inside a clear bag to trap the heat. It's less insulated than the box oven, so it might take a bit longer, but it's discreet and uses minimal materials. Perfect for boiling water or making that slightly suspicious root stew. Now for some universal rules to solar cooking. Rule number 1, black is best. Your pot, the oven interior, black absorbs solar radiation like nobody's business. If it's not black, paint it black or wrap it in black cloth. The sun loves dark things. Think about your soul. Rule number 2, reflect, reflect, reflect. Angle your reflectors. Every ray counts when you're trying to cook that suspiciously quiet squirrel. You want those sunbeams focusing directly onto your pot. As the sun moves, you move your oven. Yeah, it's a full-time job. What else are you doing? Rule number 3, seal it up. Keep the heat in, like a desperate hug. Any gaps will let that precious warmth escape, and your meal will stay stubbornly lukewarm. A thermometer is useful if you have one, but in a true collapse, you're just hoping it's hot enough. Rule number 4, patience, grasshopper. This isn't microwave cooking. It's not fast food, it's finally food after an eternity food. Solar ovens cook at lower temperatures, typically 200 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 to 150 C. That's like a slow cooker. Expect a few hours for most meals, even longer on cloudy days. Don't expect a medium-rare steak. Expect a well-done, eventually mystery meat. What can you cook? Stews, grains, veggies, anything that benefits from slow, even cooking. Boiling water is easy. Baking potatoes, corn on the cob, even bread if you have all day. Don't try to fry or sear anything. It's not going to work. And remember food safety. Botulism is not a fun post-apocalyptic party guest. Ensure internal temperatures reach safe levels, especially if you're cooking something you found in an alley. Dramatic whisper. Seriously. Bottom line, when the power's out and the silence is deafening, being able to cook a warm meal without drawing attention is pure gold. That's it for today's page from the Apocalypse Sketchbook. If this helped you survive 5 extra minutes in your head, smash that like button, drop your own tips in the comments, especially the unhinged ones, and subscribe so the next disaster doesn't catch you with your pants down. Stay sharp, stay alive, and I'll see you in the ruins.